pointing your thumb forward, either your hands or something you're weighted with, and come this way. Okay, good, good. When you come up, hold it for a second, and then come back down. Okay? So seated, I'll show you my seated now too, same thing.
Yeah.
Lean a little forward, just a little forward. Here, up, and then back down. So again, my elbow, my wrist, do not move. Once I'm set in my position, it doesn't move. All movement occurs in the shoulder to raise whatever your weight's in your hands, seated or standing, right above you, to shoulder level only. Talk about working with the elbow at the shoulder level. That's all we're doing. Okay? So let your arms relax again. Come all the way down. Hands at your sides. Thumbs pointing forward. Come up again. Shoulder level. Okay? Again, where you're comfortable. If you're comfortable here, go right here. Okay? When you come up, make sure your shoulders, meaning these shoulders at the middle part of your shoulder here, are contracting to pull on the back of your neck. What I mean by that, I'm going to crowd and check you guys in a second. When I come up, the neck should pinch a little bit and come back down. So up, let that area when I come up, let that area over here come together. And as I come down, let that area relax. If you contract the muscle, push more blood flow in there, makes the muscle stronger. So come up, hold, and relax.